to Keppikids.
Hi kids! Welcome to the magical world of shapes. Meet our friends circle, square, triangle, and star. They're ready to take us on an adventure. Are you ready? Let's go! I'm a circle round as can be. I'm in a ball and the moon you see. I roll and spin, I'm smooth all around. Find me where wheels and hoops are found. I'm a square with four sides the same. Find me in a window or a picture frame. I'm sturdy and strong, I stand with pride. Boxes and tiles, I'm easy to find. I'm a triangle with 3 points so neat. On a sailboat or a sandwich to eat. I'm sharp and sleek, I can stand or lie. Find me in rooftops or a slice of pie. I'm a star, shining bright at night. Look at the sky, I'm a lovely sight. I twinkle and glow, I'm full of delight. Make a wish upon me, I'll light up your night. Shapes are everywhere, can you see? Circle, square, and triangle wheel. Don't forget stars so bright and fun. Shapes are for everyone. Circle, square, and triangle wheel. Don't forget stars so bright and fun. Shapes are for everyone. Shapes are for everyone.